Okay, lady, it's Monday. It's Machine Learning Monday. What are you doing today?
Today we're showing how you can change the models for your TensorFlow Lite microcontroller project just by dragging and dropping files. That's right. It's so easy now to try multiple different models on our PyGamer or other Arcade board just by dragging and dropping a tflite file, which is pretty cool.
So this is the device, and then it shows up as a USB drive. Here's all the files on it, and then this is the JSON file. So what are we doing first?
Yep. So as you see, there's two tflite files. There's up-down tflite and yes-no tflite. And then there's a file called tflite config below, and it tells you the name of the model, the file name to load, and then the category labels. What does the tflite model contain?
Okay, this is super easy then.
Super easy. So let's test out this one, and it'll display the word that is in that config.
It's better than recompiling and just waiting.
Yeah, and it's like it's super easy. So let's start with the yes/no model. Yes. No. All right, so testing the microphone, yes, no works. But I'm already tired of this. I don't want to do yes, no anymore. I want to try the up-down model. So all we have to do is rename the tflite config file to something else.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it yes now.
Just call it yes, no, so we have it for later.
Yeah, I'm gonna say yes now. Save that for later.
And then rename the up-down tflite config file to just tflite config. And this is being loaded with Arduino JSON, so JSON's just a really nice format.
Okay.
And then I have to restart the board, so it'll reload the model.
Everything went away.
When it comes back up, I'll test the microphone for up, down. Up. Down. So you see now the model has changed. And if we want to try other models, we have the disk drive. You just drag and drop other tflite files that are generated direct from TensorFlow. You set up the config to let the microcontroller know, for each category, what's the word, the human readable word that you want to display, and then of course what file to load. And this way we can really quickly test out models, and it'll just print out on the screen what detected.
Yeah. Next up we have you'll be able to say cat, and a picture of a cat will show up. Dog, picture of a dog will show up. And of course, it'll make sounds. So all of this will be editable via a JSON file, and we've abstracted a lot of this stuff out. So stay tuned. More ahead. We think this is a world first, but someone will tell us if it's not, or if it is, they'll just kind of ignore us.
Okay. All right, dynamically reconfigurable TensorFlow models on microcontrollers. You saw it here first on Machine Learning Monday.